Hi everyone, this is Rohit, and today we are going to learn how we can create a Microsoft Word add-in. So, what is a Word add-in and how we can use it to automate some processes in Word, or it's like a plugin that is going to help us. So, so let's see how a Word add-in looks. So as you can see, I have some folders here. We have src folder, we have resource folder, asset folder, node modules, and we have manifest file. If I go here and if I see, we have a task pane folder. So let me run this project and show you how the word add-in that I have created looks. So I just need to write npm start. So basically, what is a word add-in or a Microsoft add-in is actually a website that is using a library which is provided from Microsoft, which is provided by Microsoft. So as you can see, this is a Word add-in that I have created, and it's a very basic Word add-in. But so we will see how much useful can a Word add-in be. All right, so suppose you want to write an essay. All right, write. All right. So this is something I need to write here. So let me write an essay 500 word on Angular. So let me just write it and let me fetch it. So all right. As you can see, we got the content here, and this is because we have used the Gemini API. So what I have did in this Word add-in, I have integrated the Gemini API. So my add-in is sending this content to the Gemini API and calling the content from the Gemini API. So it is sending request. So it is sending API request and it is getting response. So this is the response which is given by the Gemini API. Yeah, it seems a bit unclear, but we can still use it. We can still use it, right? If I ask for a good format, like definitely it would have given me a good format. But it is also fine. Slash n. Alright, so this is how we can do it, right? So we got the content from the Gemini API through our Microsoft add-in. So what else we can do? We can call an API. So calling an API is only possible in the Microsoft 365 version. If you are using Microsoft 2019, the API may not work. So let's see what else we can do. We can insert a table. Let's see how this works. So how I have functionalized it is uh, ID, name, mobile number. So let's see. If I select this and if I click on insert table, I will see a table is created with these columns. So this is something we can do with Microsoft add-in. Suppose I want to change this text. I want to update it. So I can update it. You see, the text is updated. So this is what you can do. You can do find and replace here. Okay, we already have a find and replace option here, so no need to do it with this. But we can do it if needed. All right. So if let me. Okay, I have also added a function grammar incorrection, incorrect grammar. So that we will use. Suppose I write hi Rohit, how you are. So this seems grammatically incorrect. Let's give it to the Gemini API which we have used. And you see, hi Rohit, how are you? we got the correct response here. And this is because we have integrated the Gemini API. And we can also delete the content. Suppose I want to delete this, so I can delete it. So it is deleted. So this is how you can do some of the functionality. Let's see more how what else we can do. So this is the task pane folder where you write the HTML code. Here you write the CSS code, and here you write the JavaScript code. All right. So this is what you can do. Let's move to the other plugin that we want to create, that I have created. Let's see that plugin what it does. So this is another plugin that I have created. So let me close it. Let me close this also, and pm start. All right, it is started. And okay, what is happening? Okay, as you can see, this is a sample plugin. So what this plugin do, we can import a template. Suppose I have a template. So I have actually saved a template in the, okay, I have many templates, word template. All right, is it, what is it? All right, let's try to import this. Is it imported? Update. Okay, so it seems like it was an empty template. So let's go to our folder and okay, we have this also. Let me import this. All right, we are not able to import this. Let's see if we have the resource folder we have. We just copy the path here and we go here, we paste here. So from the resources folder, this is template example that we are going to use. Um, Seems like it is not working perfectly fine, but we will need to check it. I'll check it later. Oh, right, all right. So it was working. My God, I have pasted a lot of thing here. So it depends on where is our. So let me import this. So it is imported. Not sure where it is importing it. All right, let me refresh it. Let me refresh it and let me add it again. It says okay, it is applied. You see, we can see here. So the template is imported. It's not imported on the first page, but on the second page it is. So yeah, it is nice. Some code change and it will work on the first page too. So as you can see how this code looks. Let me go to the HTML folder. This is how the HTML looks. So we have. So if I show you the HTML, what I have used is this is a header section where we have the API which we are going to use. This is the most important part. This API is going to help Word to it is going to help user to interact with the Word, Microsoft Word. All right, and then we have a CSS here, which is provided by the Microsoft itself, uh, their own code. And then we have, so all this we don't have to write. This will automatically be, it will be generated automatically. Then we have a body, and in the body we have a header which calls import template. Then we have select document. So this is something. So the code which is inside the main tag, that is what we write. The code which is inside the main tag, that is what we write, and that is what is shown there. So this code we have written here, and this is, and here we have added id. You see the id, we have added template file. So we are taking an input. Once we get the input, so we run this function, import template. So we are putting the template at the end of the content, not the start of the content. So that's why we are pasting it on the next page. So this is how, if we change the logic, it will change it. Let me try to change the logic. Start. All right, let me see if this is going to work or not. So we have added this here, and let me reload it. Let me just copy all the content and remove the existing content from here, and let me upload the template again. All right, you see, we now clicked on start thing, and it is pasting on the start, but not the next page. So this is how this is how a word add-in works. So in the next video, if I see a response coming, if I see people are interested to learn it, then I will create next video on how to learn it, how to publish it, because recently my company has given me a task to create it, to automate some processes. So I have created it, and then I have published it. So, and I as I see, there are very less resources for the Microsoft add-in on the YouTube or on any platform. So I am looking forward to hearing from you all. If you want me to continue the series and complete the Microsoft Word, and it is very easy. It is similar to a website. You just use a JS library, which is Office.js, and yeah. So that's all. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a good day.